Night. Your garage light clicks on. A can of WD-40 sits on the shelf, the most misunderstood tool in every mechanic's kit. People spray it like a miracle and then wonder why a $10 fix turned into a $1,000 bill. Tonight, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'll show you 19 professional shop-proven moves that actually work. What to spray, where to avoid it, the exact timing, and the little tricks that stop you from making rookie mistakes. Do this right and you'll save time, cash, and a lot of embarrassment. Stick around. Tip number 1 will get a car that won't start back on the road in minutes. Dry a wet ignition fast. You turn the key and the engine just coughs. 9 times out of 10, it's not the battery. It's moisture. After a rain, car wash or deep puddle, water hides and coils, spark plug boots and distributor caps. Pop the hood. Spray short bursts of WD-40 onto the coil packs and plug boots. Not a soaking, just a mist. Wait 60 seconds. Try the key. If it fires, don't celebrate yet. Leave the car running a minute to evaporate everything. Pro tip. Keep a small straw on the can for precision and never spray inside the air intake. 18. Free frozen locks without breaking keys. It's freezing, you're late, and the key won't turn. Don't pour hot water. That only refreezes. Put the straw into the keyhole, spray once, then tug gently. Let the spray melt the ice and lubricate the cylinder. If the key sticks, wiggle it slowly. Force snaps keys. After it opens, wipe away excess and spray a light layer of silicone protectant on the latch so it doesn't freeze again. Rescue seized bolts and stuck spark plugs. Rusted bolts are patience tests. Spray directly on the bolt. Let it soak 10-15 minutes for heavy rust. Tap the bolt head lightly with a hammer to vibrate the lubricant deeper. Use proper leverage, then turn. For spark plugs, wait a bit longer, 20 minutes, and use a deep socket with steady pull, not jerks. If it's still frozen, reapply and wait rather than risking a snapped stud. Apply a thin rust-blocking film on exposed metal. Rust starts the moment moisture meets bare metal. Spray a thin, even coat on hinges, exposed fasteners, control arms, and tool surfaces. Wipe excess. You don't want a greasy mess. Reapply before wet seasons and after heavy washes. This simple habit delays corrosion and keeps disassembly painless. Protect electrical connectors, the cheapest insurance. Corroded connectors, check your weird warning lights, and phantom faults. When you unplug a connector, spray a short shot, shake the plug so it penetrates, then reconnect. Follow with dielectric grease on pin faces for long-term protection. Do battery terminals the same way. Clean, spray, brush, dry, then a light coat to inhibit future crust. 14. Restore foggy headlights in under a minute. Temporary. If the lens looks milky, wash and dry it first. Spray a light mist on the lens and wipe with a microfiber. It clears haze instantly and repels water for a little while. Perfect before a trip. This is a quick cosmetic fix, not a permanent restoration. For long-term, use a full polish kit. Remove tree sap, tar, and stubborn road gunk. Spray directly, let sit 60 seconds, then wipe with a soft cloth using circular motions. For thick tar, repeat and allow extra soak time. Always finish with a soap and water wash to remove residual film before waxing the paint. Strip old stickers and adhesive safely. Spray the sticker edge and let the fluid work under the glue for a minute. Peel slowly from one corner. Use a plastic scraper if needed. When cleaned, wash with soap to remove any oil residue. This works on glass, plastic, and painted surfaces, but never use excessive pressure on soft paint. Clean rusty license plate screws and banish stains. Spray, wait a few minutes, scrub with an old toothbrush, wipe clean. Before reinstalling, give the screws a light protective coat so future removal is painless. Small details like this keep your car looking cared for. Silence squeaky hinges and keep doors aligned. Spray hinge pivots, swing the door open and close to work the lube in, then wipe the drips. Do this every few months. It reduces wear, prevents sag, and keeps the door from grinding metal on metal. Free sticky fuel door latches and springs. Open the door, spray hinge and spring mechanism, work it back and forth, wipe excess. Don't pump the latch wildly. Gentle cycles are enough. Prevents bent latches and emergency pries at the gas station. Lubricate window tracks without wrecking rubber. Roll windows down and spray lightly into the tracks. Cycle the window to spread it. Finish with a silicone aerosol on the rubber channel for longevity. WD-40 loosens grime. Silicone protects the rubber. Recondition wiper blades for quieter sweeps. Lift the blade, clean with a damp cloth, then wipe a small amount of WD-40 along the rubber edge with the cloth, not direct spray to the windshield. Wipe the glass afterwards. This softens hardened rubber and stops chatter for weeks. Restore interior plastics. No greasy shine. Spray on a cloth, never directly on the dash, then wipe in smooth strokes. It removes fingerprints and light grime and leaves a satin anti-static finish. For vents and crevices, use a soft brush first. Remove gum, crayon, and sticky messes safely. Spray the spot, let it sit about a minute, then lift with a plastic scraper or blot with a cloth. Blot, don't rub. For fabrics, work from the outside in to avoid spreading. Finish with soap and water to remove any oily trace. Preserve rubber weather seals and stop leaks. Clean seals with a damp cloth. Apply a thin coat on a rag and run along the rubber. This keeps the seals supple, prevents cracking, and stops freezing in winter. Do it every few months. Stop battery terminal corrosion and improve starts. Disconnect negative first, then positive. Spray terminals. Scrub with a wire brush to remove crust. Dry, reattach, and finish with a light protective coat. If you smell strong acid or see heavy bulging, get the battery tested. This tip prevents corrosion. It doesn't fix a dying cell. 2. Shield undercarriage bits from winter and salt. If you have it lifted, spray exposed frame rails and suspension joints. You're not painting them. You're creating a temporary moisture barrier. Reapply seasonally and after salty drives. This delays frame rot and makes future disassembly possible without a torch. Emergency flood restart. Do this before you crank. If you drove through deep water and the car won't turn over, stop cranking. Constant crank can hydrolock an engine. Open the hood and spray ignition components and plug boots liberally. Wait 2 minutes, then try to start. If it won't, disconnect the battery and tow it. WD-40 helps dry and displace water, but cannot fix internal hydrolock. Keep your spray handy in flood-prone months. What to never do with WD-40. Don't use it on timing belts, serpentine belts, or brake pads. It'll make them slip or contaminate surfaces and turn a safe part into a hazard. Don't spray electronic modules, air mass sensors, or directly into the intake. You can damage sensitive electronics and sensors. Avoid using it where a dry lubricant or specialty product is required. For instance, use silicone or white lithium where parts need long-lasting lubrication on rubber or plastic. Don't substitute a quick spray for a proper mechanical fix. WD-40 is a tool. It doesn't replace parts that are warped, cracked, or structurally damaged. Little pro moves that separate amateurs from pros. Use the straw for precision. One shot where it's needed, not a puddle. Always wipe excess. A clean surface equals controlled lubrication and no grime attractor. Combine WD-40 to remove moisture and loosen corrosion, then follow with dielectric grease, silicone, or anti-seize depending on the job. Keep 2 cans if you plan. A weekend detail. 1 for cleaning, penetrating, 1 silicone for rubber and long-term protection. If this saved you time or kept you from a tow, do this. Hit like. It tells the algorithm this is useful. Share it with someone who's made a $300 mistake from one bad spray, and subscribe for the real shop hacks we don't hear on forums. Want a second list? The 5 things you should never spray on your car under any circumstances and what to use instead. I'll put that in the next video if you want it. One final line. WD-40 is powerful, but precision beats power. Use it like a mechanic. Targeted, patient, and with the right follow-up. Do that, and a $10 spray will save you hundreds, not cost you thousands.